Okay, our last video on our 2-bedroom apartment before you guys just start to furnish it and make it look cool. What we're going to do is we're going to put in doors just to make sure we can get into all these rooms. So this bedroom in the corner here with the 2 windows, that's going to be the parents' bedroom. And this is going to be their private bathroom back here. This bedroom here is going to be the kids' bedroom. So with kind of an entrance here, and this is going to be the kids and the company bathroom here. There's no window in there, but you can use fans in a bathroom. And we need a door. So we need a door into the parents' bedroom, a door into the primary bathroom. We already put this one in. We need a door into the children's bedroom, and we need a door into the residence itself. So I'm going to swing around here just to remind you that our doorways are actually specifically measuring. So I'm going to use the measurement tool just in case you guys have forgotten. We're going to go corner here, click there, and then down here. So it's 3'2". So I'm actually going to put a label here so we can kind of remember this. Okay, click, and we're going to go like this, and I'm going to go 3'2". Okay, wide. And then we're going to go, I believe it's 6'8" or 6'10". I'm going to guess 6'10", and then I'll check it. Okay. 6'10" tall. Okay. I'm going to go back and then we hit, I want to tap and click out of that. Okay. So right here, we're going to use the measuring tape again to measure how high, and we'll see if I remembered correctly. 6'10". I got lucky on that one. Okay, so 3'2" wide, 6'10" tall. Okay, so I'm going to swing around here. I'm going to cut the door to the residence from the inside. Okay. So there's my wide wall, okay, and I'm going to grab the rectangle tool, start on the edge here, on the face, make sure we get that on the face. And we see down here on the bottom that we have the width first. You see how there's that 2 foot first and then the 7 foot second. So I'm going to go 3 foot 2 inches, comma, 6 foot 10 inches. I'm going to tap enter. So I get my doorway there. Okay. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to tap P for push pull, and I'm going to shove this guy through until we get that kind of shimmery look that says on face. When I click there again, it actually cuts the doorway through. The reason I wanted you guys to cut it from the inside is you can see that there's actually a 4-inch lip on this. I did that so that you guys could put stuff on the floor. So we've got that little section there. Okay, so we're going to cut another door into the kids' room. So remember that the kitchen is right here. I'm just going to cut all my doorways first. Okay. So we're going to swing this around. The kitchen is right here, so we want to kind of make this a little bit more to the left. Okay. I'm going to start it down here on the edge. Maybe like right there, okay, and up and over, and so it says on face. Again, 3 foot 2 inches, comma, 6 foot 10 inches, comma, and then like that. We're gonna push in until we get that kind of shimmery look and play around with it until we get that real. Okay. I don't know. I can't really tell. Is that correct? No. Okay. One more time. Let me try and swing it like that. It will snap all of a sudden. No. Okay. One more time. Push. There we go. See how it kind of gets that white edge? Then that means it's good cut. Okay, again, tap rectangle tool. We're going to go into the parents' room. I think it would probably make the most sense to put the door kind of close to this edge. So we're going to go here, up to here. 3 foot 2 inch, 6 foot 10 inch, and tap P for push pull. And there we go. That one just happened really quickly. So we're cutting all of our holes here. And then the last door is going to be an entrance to the restroom here. So tap the rectangle tool again. I'm going to kind of go over here, up and over. So we have that on face. Okay. 3 foot 2 inches, comma, 6 foot 10 inches there. Okay. You can see that that bathroom is pretty slim in the back there, but yeah. Anyway, it'll work. So we go like that until it cuts through. Okay, we have all of our doorways cut and they're all the same size. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this door jamb. Remember this, we made this a component. I'm going to save this first. Saving, saved. All right. Okay, so I'm going to select this door jamb. Okay. So you see how it gets that box around it? That's because it's a component. I tap M, which is for the move tool. Then I zoom all the way in here, kind of come around the side until I can grab this dot right here. That one that's in between those two, okay? I want that one right there. I'm going to click one time and let go. Click, okay? Now I tap Control one time and then I move like this and it will actually move a copy of it out. So I can scoot along. Okay, my copy is still going to join me. See, I have that reference rectangle that we worked really hard on earlier. I'm going to draw that guy along and just click it in right there. Click. So, like that. Yay. All right, that looks really nice. We're going to do that again right here. Okay. I'm going to tap spacebar. I'm going to click this one again. Zoom in. I'm going to tap M, grab this corner, click one time, Control one time, and then I'm going to just gently move the mouse. We're just going to kind of slide it along. You can see I want that on red axis. Okay. Again, this is so much easier to do with a mouse, but totally possible without one. We're going to move this over here and meet it right there. And I'm going to click, and that anchors that there. Okay. We're going to take this whole thing. Okay. I'm going to go inside to this bedroom here. So now I'm inside the kids' bedroom. I just went out the window. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. There we go. Okay. I'm inside the kids' bedroom looking at the entryway we cut on the front door. Okay. Now, what I want to do is I want to zoom in and I want to grab this corner right here. Okay. So I'm going to tap my space bar. Okay. This is selected. Once it's blue, tap M, grab that corner right there, and I tap Control again. It leaves a copy. So I have to go in here. Whoa. Yeah. I'm going to go in here. And I want to put my door jamb on that end point right there. Now, I think I did that incorrectly. Wait. Okay. I think I did that incorrectly. because I can't see it. That's a good, yeah, it's floating in space up here. Okay, no stress, no worries. Okay, so I'm going to kind of spin this around. We're going to grab this one. We don't need to make a copy because we don't want this floating in space. So I'm going to take the move tool. I tap M to get that move tool. I click once here, click, and now it will move. I'm going to zoom in. Oops, wait. Back up. This is hard because we're moving inside the geometry. Okay, it should snap in front there. Okay, and I'm trying to zoom in until I can place this right on the edge there. And I think that's perfect, actually. See, it snaps right there, and I click, and it will place it. This may feel a little frustrating, like don't worry about it. Okay, now I need to get this last one right here. This is going to be a little bit of a struggle, so I'm going to show you guys how to do this. Don't worry, you guys are experts at this point. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to tap spacebar and select this one. Okay, you can grab pretty much anywhere on this. We're going to go M. We're going to click once. Begin dragging as if we're moving it. And we're going to tap Control, and it will leave a copy behind. Okay, so I'm going to drag this just out into the room. Okay, like that. Okay, oops. Click. Okay. Click. Okay. Okie dokie. Now, okay, so we have a copy and it's just in this room. What I'm going to do is grab the rotate tool. Now, I have a green, we want the green one, okay? I haven't clicked anything and I've just placed it on the corner. You can actually use the arrow keys, and this will rotate around in a circle sideways. We can the red one will go forward, front to back, and then I want this green one. Okay, I'm going to click once here to anchor it. I click once here to get an arm, and then I want to snap this around, and it will actually click into place. It should click into place. Click. Hang on. Snap. There we go. Wait, it's right there. Okay. And then I click that into place. Okay. I'm going to tap the move tool again. And we're going to move this piece of geometry into place. I want to make sure I don't zoom out. I think it might be kind of hard to see that edge. So what I'm going to do is move this once. I'm going to move this here. Okay. And then I'm going to move this edge. So I'm going to zoom in on this little reference rectangle that we got here. Click. And then I'm going to zoom out. Drag this over. And I'm going to link it to this corner. Okay. Link it to that corner right there. I think I'm way up in space here. Nope. Come on. There we go. Click. And we did it. You can see it was a little fussy. And I didn't turn it quite right. Oh! Okay. So no problem. What I'm going to do is try to fix this. So I want the rotate tool, which is that guy. Okay, we want the green one, the one that's on the edge. I want to go to the end point. I'm going to go here, click like that, and then I'm going to rotate it. Oops, wait, undo, redo. Okay, put that back. I want to select this, grab the rotate tool, on the corner, out to the edge. Okay, and then we want to rotate it until it snaps into place here. This looks much better. Okay. All right. So you guys probably won't have that issue, but I do. All right, last thing. It looks so good. Looks so good. Last thing we're going to do is we're going to put in all the doors. We have to think about doors open into rooms. They open into the smaller rooms. So what I'm going to do is actually just kind of copy these doors. So I'm going to take this door here. I'm going to grab this one. Okay. We're going to do that same move tool technique. M. We're going to grab, actually we want to grab the one that's tapped. So I'm going to grab that corner, that one right there. Okay, endpoint, yeah, endpoint and door jamb. Click. Okay, now I click one time and I'm going to start to move and it's like, oh no, I'm moving my door, but you tap control and it leaves a copy behind. Okay. And then, oops, okay, we want to do that again. Click there, and then we want to go right there. Click. Okay, I'm going to take this one, and I want to do that again. I'm going to tap this, select it with the select tool, tap M, grab that endpoint, tap Control. Okay, I start to move it, I tap Control, and it leaves a copy behind, so I didn't like move or lose anything. We're going to put in the kids' bedroom door. Okay. And click. Just put that right in there. Okay. I'm going to put in the front door. We're going to do the same thing. Oops, wait. I didn't link it. Hang on. We're going to go undo. Redo. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we're going to click this again and grab tap M, grab that endpoint. Starts to move the door, we tap Control, it leaves a copy behind. I'm going to zoom out, move this over. Come on. I may need to grab that again. Grab that endpoint. We're going to move it over. I'm going to attempt here to zoom out and go through this door. Whoa! Okay. We're going to grab the end of that door jamb. Again, grab that end right there. I'm going to zoom back. Again, this is hard. It's just hard. And you guys have seen all the little mistakes I've made. Oh no. Okay. I'm going to take this door and move it up. Okay. Okay, I'm going to grab that endpoint and door, zoom back, and go endpoint and door right there. Click. Okay, so we have all of those doors, which look really great at this point. So we have kind of all of these open doors. So all these open doors. This one here, I would probably flip if I cared to do that during this video, but I actually do not. Yeah, this one is going to be enough of a challenge, okay? So this one here, we're going to take this guy, and we need to bring it into the room here. So I'm going to, remember, we tap M, we grab a corner, we go like this. Oh no! We tap Control and it leaves that there. Okay. I'm going to make sure that okay. I'm going to tap there. I'm going to use that rotate tool to kind of bring this back around. So we're going to go here, rotate. I'm going to grab here and here, and then swing this door around like so. Okay, so that's going to be opening into the bathroom. tap M again, and I'm going to grab this endpoint right there. That one right there. Okay. And then we're going to drag it and we're going to put it against that part of the door jamb. Okay, I'm going to kind of swing it so that I can see it. I'm going to grab here and then move back and zoom in and grab like this and move back until we can get that clicked in there. That, you know what, actually, it's supposed to be the one behind it. There we go. That actually doesn't look right. So I'm going to bring it out here, and that's okay. It's actually supposed to be this one. That endpoint in the door has to meet with the endpoint in the door jamb. This thing looks like it's floating. There we go. Click. So sometimes if you can't get it, you just need to zoom in, zoom in, zoom in until you can. So there we have all of our doors into all of our rooms, all done. Now, look, this doesn't matter. I'm just going to do this because it's bothering me. So it is okay for you to stop here, but this door would not open here into this master. You would open it into the wall. So I'm going to select this door and I'm going to rotate it because it's bugging me. So I'm going to spin it around. Okay. We're going to grab the rotate tool. Okay, on this corner, on here, wait, on that corner, and I'm going to spin it so it's like so. Okay, and that's all right. Now I'm going to tap the move tool, okay, and I'm going to go in here. Woo! Whoa. I don't know where I am right now. Okay, there we go. It's like I swung a circle there. Okay, we're gonna grab. We've got to think about this. We have to grab this point, this inside one here, and mate that with this inside corner right there, endpoint and door jamb. Okay, that was just bothering me. But now it's all better. Okay, so I'm going to click outside of this so that nothing is selected. There's all my doors, all my windows. If you guys turn this in, I will pass you on this assignment for this particular thing. Okay. The last thing you guys are going to do is throw in, actually, I'll put it in the next video. Okay. So I'm going to save this. Thank you guys so much. Save it. Make sure you save your work, submit your snip, and I'm going to go done.